If you have LG dryer like this one, you're first of all a very lucky person, but there's also one thing that you need to remember. After each drying cycle, you need to clean the lint filter of the dryer machine. And where to find it? Well, to find it, you actually need to open this, and inside here, you don't need to go very deep. Like, you can already see that you need to clean the lint filter after each use. And to do that, it's actually very simple. The only thing that you need to do is just here, see, just grab this with your two fingers and pull up. And voila, this is your lint filter. The only thing that is left is that you need to open it. And to open it, you just push it outside, right? There's no screws, nothing. It's very simple. And here, well, I've already cleaned mine. After the last drying, there's a little bit of the lint left. But after you dry your clothes, this is going to be full. And after each cycle of the drying, you need to clean this. Just throw it in the garbage, put it back here, and you're good to go for the next drying cycle.